How to learn useful keyboard shortcuts for Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through a lot of helpful keyboard shortcuts that would be very practical whenever you use your Microsoft Teams. So these keyboard shortcuts essentially allow us to do a variety of repetitive tasks in a really frequent manner. So I will show you how you can access these useful shortcuts even if you forget them. So the best way is to lead by these simple steps. So the first thing that you can do is simply click onto these three dots that appear just besides your profile picture. So once you click onto these three dots, you can see this option that says keyboard shortcuts in this menu. So click onto this keyboard's shortcuts, and once you do this you will see a number of different shortcuts. So you have the general shortcuts like show keyboard shortcuts, open search, show commands, go right to the channel, start new chat. You also have the navigation shortcuts like open first tab, second tab, third app on the app bar. You also have composed shortcuts like expand compose box, attach file to the compose box, insert a link. So compose box is basically your message box that appears below this one. And then we have messaging shortcuts as well, like collapse all conversation folders, reply to the latest message or last message as well. We have meeting calls and calendar shortcut to start audio call, to mute your speaker, video, temporary unmute, and we also have some debugging shortcuts like logs and react logs as well. So that was all about the useful keyboard shortcuts for your Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.